We'll call it a day. So number 8 here. So it says classify each structure according to its functional class. Oh, that's the previous question. So I have here the first question is A. So I have this structure here. I'm going to draw the line diagram here. It's asking us, okay, what is the functional class? Well, the functional class is have basically all alkanes except for the C double bond O. And as you can see, it's either an aldehyde or a ketone, right? So an aldehyde would be a carbonyl group in the primary carbon, in the first carbon here, in terms of in the beginning of the compound, and the ketone's in the middle of the compound. In this case here, it's in the middle of the compound, which means this here is a ketone. So it's a carbonyl group. Our second compound here is CH3, 1,2 bond O, bond CH. I have ethyl here, bond again, bond again, bond again. So that's our compound here. As you can see, everything's alkane except for this O group here, and it's linking 2 single bonds together. So this here is going to be a ether. Because again, an ether is comprised of this RO. R here. So this here is going to be ether. This is bond end. Double bond O here. So I have this guy here. I have here this double bond O, but I also have an N here. So this here is going to be an amide group, because I have a C double bond O bond to N here. As you can see, this guy here is the amine, and this will be our carboxylic acid here. So this here is an amide group. And then finally, this guy here is simply an amine group here, because I don't have the C double bond O, but I do have the nitrogen here. So these are my solutions: a ketone, a carbonyl group, an ether, an amine, and an amine. So a ketone, ether, amine, and amine. So solution here is correct. Good analysis.